We are doing warm up number 15, which is going to be finding the perimeter of a figure and the values of X. So let's do the first one together, and then I'll let you try and do number 2 on your own. It says a rectangle has a length of 2x and 3 times x plus 1, and it has a perimeter of 66. What is the value of X? Hint, draw a picture. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw the rectangle. And it says it has a side length of 2x, and it doesn't matter where you put that 2x, if it's on the left or right or up and down. And then the other one will go up there as 3 times x plus 1. Now, I always my opposite sides because the opposite sides are always the same. So let's label our rectangle. Now, so I drew the picture, labeled the sides with what they gave me right here. Let's find the perimeter. What does perimeter mean? Perimeter means to add up all the sides. So I'm going to do 2x plus 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 plus the other side, 3 times x plus 1. This is the perimeter, and it's saying that it equals 66, so we'll make it equal 66. Now we can solve our equation. You remember how to put it into Desmos to find your answer? You can do that as well, but I'm going to do it by hand. First thing we do is the distributive property anytime we're solving. So I get 2x plus 2x. Now 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 equals 66. Combine like terms, put all my x's together. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10x. Then I've got 3 plus 3, which is 6, so plus 6, and that equals 66. The next step to solving is you'll subtract 6 from each side. You get 10x equals 60. Let's see. Let me write this over here. 10x equals 60. I'm going to divide by 10. X equals 6. This is what your answer should have been. So now doing the same kind of thing, why don't you pause the video and try and do number 2? So on number 2, if I go to draw my picture, this time it's a triangle, and it tells me my sides, and it doesn't matter what sides I put the things on. I've got an x, 4 times x plus 2, and a 3x minus 8. So I labeled my sides. Again, it doesn't matter which sides you labeled these things as long as you have them on each one. Now, find the perimeter. We're going to add them all up. So I've got x, and then I've got plus 4 times x plus 2, plus the next one is 3x minus 8. And it equals 32 because it says the perimeter is 32. So now we need to go and solve our equation. So the first step is the distributive property. So I've got x and then plus 4x. 4 times 2 is 8, so it's plus 8. Plus 3x minus 8, and that equals 32. Now put your x's together. That's 8x, and then you have 8 minus 8, which gave you 0. It goes away. It equals 32. Let me move my 8x over here. Now I divide by 8, and my answer you should have gotten was x equals 4.